Welcome back, students. I hope that all of you are reading your drama book from Act 1, Scene 1. Keep on reading from Act 1, Scene 1. Today in this video, we will start Act 3, Scene 4, page number 142 to 146. Act 3, Scene 4. This scene takes place in Belmont, a room in Portia's house. Portia, Nerissa, Lorenzo, Jessica, and Balthazar enters the stage. Lorenzo says to Portia that I am speaking in front of you, that you are very noble and you have a great understanding of a friendship, of a spiritual friendship which exists between Antonio and Bassanio. And he further adds that if she knew the person for whom she is sending the help, then she would be more proud of the generosity which she has shown. Then Portia replies to Lorenzo and says that she never she never regret doing something good. And when two friends they spend time together, they are bounded by the love for each other. They have similar characteristic, same behavior, and even same type of nature. So by looking at Bassanio, she could make out what type of person Antonio is. And then she says to Lorenzo that she just gives commit into his hand to take care of the house, and they are going to a monastery which is just 2 miles away so that they could pray for the well-being of their husband. She and Nerissa is going to a monastery. Portia says to Lorenzo that she has taken a vow, a secret oath, or promised herself that she will spend time in prayer and meditation till the return of her husband, and only Nerissa will accompany her to the monastery, which is 2 miles away. And it is her desire, and she wants Lorenzo to take care of the house. And Lorenzo replies to her that, Madam, wholeheartedly I will follow your orders. Then Portia says to Lorenzo that that the servants of the house they already know about the intentions of. She has already told the servants of the house that Lorenzo is going to take care of the house, manage the house in absence of Portia, and the servants they will follow the orders given by Jessica and Lorenzo. And she says farewell till they meet again. Lorenzo says to Portia, may your thoughts be pleasant and your hours pass happily. Jessica says, I wish the same for you, that you just all your desires are fulfilled. Then Portia says that I thank you for your wishes, that I thank you for what you have wished for me, and I wish the same for you. Then she says, farewell, Jessica. And then Jessica and Lorenzo exit for there. They go away from there. Then she turns towards Balthazar, and Portia says to Balthazar that she has always found Balthazar very honest and trustworthy. And she gives a letter to him and says that take this letter as fast as possible, as fast as any man can go. So take this to Padua and see that this is given into the hands of my cousin. And who is her cousin? Dr. Bellario. And then tells him that take the notes and garments, whatever he gives you, and bring it back as fast as possible upon to the Tranect. Tranect is a place, a landing place of the common ferry of the ferry which trails between Belmont to Venice. And she says that do not waste time in verse, do not say anything, but go quickly, and I shall be there before thee. That I am going to be there at the Tranect before you. So come back as quickly as possible. Balthazar says that he will go as fast as possible. Then he exits from there. Portia says to Nerissa, come on, Nerissa, I have some plan in I have planned out something, but you do not know about it. We are going to meet our husbands where they have least expected us. Nerissa says, shall they see us? Are they going to see us? Then Portia says, they will see us, but they are going to see us dressed as a man. And I will just bet with you that when both of us has disguised ourselves as young men, I will be prettier of the two, and she will carry the dagger more gallantly by her side, and they are going to speak in a voice of a man, of a voice, that type of voice which is a voice of a voice which is breaking into a deeper voice of a man. And then they will also going to bragging about, they will be boastful, they will be like a boastful young man who goes on telling the lies, quaint lies. Portia says that she will say quaint lies, the fanciful lies, lies like that, that many ladies has expressed their love to him, but she has denied it, and they have all fallen sick and they have died. And when the man will look at them, they will swear that they have just 1 year ago they have left the school. And she says that I have within my mind, I have thought about so many thousands of tricks of the boastful young fellow, which she is going to use when she will be disguised as a man. But come, but let us go. I will tell you my whole plan when we are in the carriage, because the carriage is waiting for them at the park gate and they have to hurry because they have to travel 20 miles today. Students, we have completed Act 3, Scene 4. I hope that you will go on reading Act 3, Scene 4. Thank you. And please do the workbook, Act 3, Scene 4 of the workbook.